जोंनि अदालगुरि डिस्ट्रिक्टआव दा बयबो मानसिफोरा मिन्थिदों Auxilium Collegeआ बयनिबो खोमायाव हाबबाय बा गोबां जायगानिफ्राय फरायसालिफोरनिफ्राय जोंनि Auxilium Collegeआव फरायनो फैदों Auxilium Collegeनि सोमोन्दै आं बेखौनो मिथिहोनो लुबैयो जोंनि Auxilium Collegeआ जोबोद मोजां जोंनि फराफारिया जोबोद मोजां आरो नोंथांमोना नुनो मोनदों जोंनि सिस्टारफोरनि दैदेननायाव जोंनि कलेजआ अदालगुरि डिस्ट्रिक्टआव दायो रिजाल्टनि बेलायाव साबसिखननि बेलायाव बा आखल आखुनि दानायनि बेलायाव जोङो मोजां होननानैहाय बुंनो हायो आरो फोरोंगिरि हिसाबै जों Auxilium Collegeआ 2012 मायथाइयाव गायसनजादोंमोन गिबियावहाय Auxilium Junior College होननानै मुंख'जादोंमोन बेनि उनाव 2017 मायथाइनिफ्राय Auxilium College डिग्री सेक्सनाबो जोंनियाव गायसनजानाय जाबाय बिनिफ्राय Auxilium College होननानै मुंख'जाबाय आरो 2017 निफ्राय बेयावहाय मोनब्रै स्ट्रिमजों जागायजेननाय जादोंमोन पलिटिकल एजुकेशन बेनिफ्राय सशियोलॉजी मोनथाम स्ट्रिमा जोंहा साइन्स आरो आर्ट्स डिग्रीयावहाय साइन्स आरो आर्ट्स गायसनजाग्रोदोंमोन आरोखि
साइन्सनि फेसिलिटि हिसाबै मा
जोंनिया साइन्स फेसिलिटि हिसाबै फेकाल्टिफोराथ' दंखासै बेजों लोगोसे जोंहा साइन्सनि लेबरेटरि बेफोर गासैबो फेसिलिटिफोरा दंजोबो कम्पिउटार एजुकेशनबो दङ जोंनियावहाय कम्पिउटार फेकाल्टियाबो जोबोद मोजां आरो कम्पिउटारनि फेसिलिटिफोराबो जोबोद मोजां आरो जायफोरा कम्पिउटार लादों बे फरायसुलाफोराबो माने लेटार मार्क मोनलायलायनानै पास जानायखौ जोङो मोननो हादों आरो जोंनि फरायसालिनिफ्राय
स्टुडेन्टफोरा
आर्ट्सआवहाय जोङो गार्जेनफोरनि डिमान्डजों थार्ड डिभिजन पास जानाय फरायसाफोरखौबो जों लाखियो मानो होनबा जोंना बे Auxilium फरायसालिया बा कलेजआ जोंनि बे एरिया डेभेलपनि थाखाय फैनाय जादों नालाय मिशनारिफोरनि गेजेरजों दा एरिया डेभेलपखौ नायनो थाङोब्ला जोंहा जौखोन्दोखौ लाबाय थाबाबो जाया दा बेनिखायनो जोंहा माखासे गोरिब न'खरफोरनिफ्राय गोरिब गथ'फोरा बर' मिडियामजों फरायनाय आसामिस मिडियामजों फरायनाय गथ'फोरा थार्ड डिभिजन सेकेन्ड डिभिजन मोननाय बिथांमोनखौबो जोङो गार्जेनफोरखौ नायनानै बा एरियानि डेभेलपखौ नायनानै लाखिनाय जायो ओरैनोथ' साइन्सआव 60% मोननाय गथ'फोरखौसो लाखिनाय जायो आरो नाथाय जोंनि सिस्टारफोरनि जे थांखि बे थांखिया जाबाय जोंहा एरिया डेभेलप खालामनाय जोंनि बर' सुबुंफोरखौ बर' ससाइटिखौहाय डेभेलप खालामनायनि बेलायाव 50-52 मोननाय गथ'फोरखौबो जों साइन्सआवहाय थिसननाय जायो आरो देग्लायनि रिजाल्टआथ' जोबोद मोजाङानो जादों 97% मोननानै पास जादों आरो बेनिफ्राय साइन्सनि रिजाल्टआ 100% रिजाल्टआ जोंनिया 100% ओमफ्राय आर्ट्सआवहाय 97% बिदि माखासे गथ'फोरा माने आनजाद होफुंनो हायाखिसै लोमजानानै बेनि बेलायाव माने आर्ट्सखौहाय नैबे बोसोराव माने 100% लांनो हायाखै नाथाय जोङो नैबे देग्लायनि सेसनखौहाय जोङो फुरा नाजादों 100% रिजाल्ट दिहुननो थाखाय थ' साइन्सआ थांनाय बोसोरावबो 100% रिजाल्ट होदों आरो देग्लायबो 100% रिजाल्ट होदों आरो बेनि मादाव जोंहा थार्ड डिभिजन गैया सेकेन्डआ साबाल' जादों गासैबो फार्स्ट डिभिजन डिस्टिंक्सन आरो लेटार मोननाय स्टार मार्क मोननाय गथ'फोर दं आरो जाय नोंथांमोना जोंनि फरायसालियाव फरायनो गोसो नोंथांमोना मेट्रिक पास जानायनि उननिफ्राय हागोन आरो डिग्री दङ हिसाबै डिग्री फरायफैनो हागोन जेबो बेयावहाय पार्सेन्टेजखौथ' जोङो दानि खिन्थाखाबाय 60 नाम्बार मोननाय साइन्सआव आरो आर्ट्सफोरब्ला जों एरियाखौ नायनानै जोंनि रायजो राजानि गथ'फोरनि माने जौगानायखौ नायनानै थार्ड डिभिजन सेकेन्ड डिभिजन फार्स्ट डिभिजन बे गासैबो डिभिजन मोननाय गथ'फोरा लाफैनो हायो जोंनि एरिया जाहाथे जोंनि बर' सुबुंफोरा सोलोंथायाव दावगालांनो हायो बेखौ नायनानै गासिबो नोंथांमोना जाय गोसो जायो गोसो गुदुं फरायसा नोंथांमोना जोंनि Auxilium कलेजाव फरायसालियाव फैनो हागोन जोबोद मोजाङै जोंनि सिस्टारफोरनि दैदेननायाव गासै फारफ्रोमथिंजायनिफ्रायबो माथ्र फरायनायल' नङा गेलेनाय मोसानाय मेथाइ खननाय ड्रामा नाटक दिन्थिनाय आरो बिदिनो गेलेनाय बेफोर गासैयावबो जोंनि Auxilium कलेजावहाय सुबिदाफोर दं नोंथांमोना नुनो मोन्दों जोंहा मोजां गेलेग्रा फोथारबो दङ आरो बिदिनो मेथाइ खननाय मोसानाय दामनाय देनाय बेफोर गासैबो फेसिलिटिफोरखौ सिस्टारफ्रा होनाय जायो आरो जोंहा टाइम टु टाइम सम माने गोबां हाबाफारि प्रग्रामफोर जायो बे प्रग्रामफोराव गथ'फोरा गावसोरनो प्रग्रामखौ सालायनांगौ गावसोरनो बानायनांगौ आरो प्रग्रामखौ सालायनांगौ माने स्किल डेभेलपमेन्ट प्रग्रामबो होनाय जायो आरो बेखिनि बयस एन्ड गार्लस जोंहा दायो हस्टेल हिसाबै गर्ल्सआ आगोलनिफ्रायनो दङ 100 सिट सिगाङावहाय दायो बयसबो बे बोसोरनिफ्राय खुलिनाय जाबाय आरो खुलिजेननाय जाबाय दा जोंना माने बिल्डिं गैथ'यैखाय एसे खम लाखिदों हौवासाफोरखौ दा जोंहा गोदान बिल्डिं फाउन्डेसन होखांबाय नैबे बोसोराव बे कमप्लिट जायोबा हौवासा फरायसाफोरखौबो जों हस्टेलाव लाखिनो थाखाय सिस्टारफोरा माने लाहार फाहार खालामगासिनो दङ आरो
Our college, Auxilium College, now it is known as Auxilium College, and it was established in the year 2012. At that time, it was only higher secondary, which is affiliated to the Council of Guwahati. No? Then gradually in the year 2017, it is upgraded to degree level, and degree level now it is affiliated to Borderland University, and this right now we have got the departments, that is arts, we have got English, education, political science and sociology, and science we have got chemistry, zoology and botany. So these are the departments that is running at the degree level.
There is commerce.
And right now recently this year we have started the degree level. We have got also the BA, BCom and also BSc. So these are the streams that is running at the degree level. And the higher secondary level we have got this arts, science and commerce, and we have got this year we have got many sections. In higher secondary we have got in arts we have got 3 sections which are comprised of 176 students arts, and science 146 students which is in 2 sections, and commerce we have only 29 students, they are in one section. Yes, very much. We have got a well set up laboratory, and which is functioning so well, and it was set up for the college, so it is also now it's used by higher secondary as well, and the students from other institutions also come from this Borderland University, and also from the students from other institutions they come for practical here in our institution. We have got students from basically from all over Northeast. We have got students from Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal and Meghalaya. So these are the main main places they are in, and also students also from south. Also there are some students who have come to join our higher secondary level. They want to take admission means they inquire through their friends, and then they come directly for admission here. We do so far we have offline admission, and through telephone mobile they communicate, and then they come, then they do the admission, and they stay.
Hostel facility also available here?
Yeah, we have got we have got girls hostel, which is started from its inception of the institute, and right now then at the request of this public and the parents and so on, we also there came the urgency and the need of having a hostel for the boys. So it is under construction. The building is going on, but we have few boys with us, and they are staying just in one cottage in our campus itself.
Okay, thank you.
Boys and girls. So we have got hostel facilities offered to all the college students. It is open to all, irrespective of their background. Girls hostel can be accommodated around 200 students. 200 students, and all the facilities are there. There are rooms and all what is required for the girls to do their studies well. So students who are motivated, they can score very well because the programs are well organized for them. And recently we opened also the boys hostel. It is still under construction, but we have already taken a small group of boys, and they are staying with us. In the hostel, they have got, in addition to their academic facilities, they also have other activities which enhance their personality development. An integral formation is given here, not only academically competent, but also other areas of their life, spiritual, social, moral, and other aspect of their life is being developed here through activities, competitions, and even spiritual aspect. So the students are given an all-round development in the hostel setup. Sports, cultural activities, then daily we have evening recreation where they learn a lot of, games and so on. And in other words, there is a joyful atmosphere in the hostel. And in the hostel, we have got a big mixture of students coming from different parts of the country, not only from Northeast, but even other parts of the country. So the students, they learn to mix up well. They learn to live together with other young people of different cultures and background. So, finally they are actually prepared to move out of this place even, so that they know how to handle their life even outside the society. Because Udalguri is a small setup, and most of our children are coming from, farming background. But then this coming together, staying together, they are able to adjust with one another, others' culture. That also is a big blessing for them. Tomorrow, if they would even move out of this place, they know how to handle their life, mixing with other categories of people.